Fitness reality. Real people, real results. Introducing the Fitness Reality 1000 Supermax 800-pound capacity 12-position weight bench. Built to last with powder-coated tubular steel, the Supermax weight bench boasts a remarkable 800-pound real weight capacity, designed with a unique triangular support structure. Capable of optimally supporting users up to 6 feet 4 inches tall with its extended 10-inch wide and 34-inch long backrest that can be adjusted independently. You can quickly and easily adapt the Supermax to incline, flat, and decline positions to best serve your workout. The Supermax's front leg is specially designed with 2 adjustment positions, which can double the backrest position to 12 angles, from a negative 20 degrees decline to 80 degrees incline. The 1 3/4 inch thick foam cushion backrest will ensure comfort, even when you're pushing your strength training workout to new levels. Just as spacious and comfortable as the backrest, the Supermax's 15-inch by 15-inch seat also supports any user size. For more stability, the Supermax features leg stabilizers that eliminate swaying and rocking during workouts and can be enhanced by using a detachable 3-position adjustable leg hold-down bar. Best of all, the Supermax can be easily folded to a fraction of its setup size to save a considerable amount of space. And can be easily moved. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Supermax accommodates a wide range of user heights and exercises, making it an excellent addition to any home gym setup. So, get real results with the Fitness Reality 1000 Supermax 800-pound capacity 12-position weight bench.
Hello and welcome. My name is Brett and this is the GYMENIST foldable workout bench. It's a great system for saving space. It packs up nicely so you can store it anywhere in your house conveniently, which is what I do, and I can use it here in my living room without taking up extra space. So let's look at how to set this up. It's folded up really nicely at the moment and it's locked in place by the locking pin. You take that guy out, then we can fold out the legs and just slide it into place. Once you're there, the pin goes back in to secure it, and now you have a one-piece bench. Now, it comes with nice rubber feet. The rubber feet are graduated in their thickness so that you can adjust by rotating them to level out the bench on your floor. So all the feet adjust in this way. You can go around, make sure it's level before you start working out. This makes sure that you have a nice firm platform, stable platform to exercise on without shaking around. So nice feature. From there, let's go ahead and set up the seat rest. And take the pin out. Select one of the 3 levels, push the pin in. Same thing for your footrest. You can select one of the 3 levels. And then we can move to the backrest. Sliding it up. We can select one of 6 levels here, so all the way from a fully seated position for shoulder presses or curls, all the way back down to doing sit-ups, decline sit-ups, or nice and flat. Right there. Stick the pin in and you're set to go. You have a nice stable workout bench here that you can perform many different workouts or exercises on. And then if you really want a headrest or a back support, it comes with an adjustable lumbar support here that you can slide up and down. If you do want to get it closer to your lumbar, I like to slide it over top of the support bar first, get it in place, and then go ahead and select the level. So that's it. The bench is set up, you're ready to go. You can change the levels as you do so to vary the workouts, and you've got a nice stable platform to do it on. Now to fold it up, we'll take out this backrest pin. If you want to, you can slide off the headrest, lay that down nice and flat. I'm gonna hold on to the pin. We can take down the seat rest and put a pin in here to secure it. Put away the feet support, and then we can replace the extra pin right above the foot support section so that it has a place and it's always staying with the equipment. Take out the last securing pin, pull up on the handle, pull up the cross support bar, slide in the big pin, and you're all set to go.